What makes volcanoes suddenly explode with power? Magma can reach temperatures of up to 2,000 degrees hotter than lava lamps on ultra-high. Did you know a single volcano can release more CO2 in a day than a city of millions? Mount St. Helens erupted in 1980, blasting ash 80,000 feet into the atmosphere. Whoa! Volcanoes can create new islands. Hawaii's Big Island is still growing from eruptions. The largest volcanic eruption in history was 75,000 years ago, nearly wiping out humanity. Find the full How Volcanoes Really Work from Magma to Eruption video and subscribe to Dreamtime Science on YouTube.